Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 2235 add two integer. So here is in a function there is given a nums1 and nums2. So you just have to return the sum of these two digits. Okay. So for example, there is in nums1 is 12 and num2 is 5 and their sum is 17. In same way, num1 is minus 10 and num2 is 4 and their sum is minus 6. So you just have to return the minus 6. This is the easiest question, one of the easiest question. You can do it by applying the direct operator plus operator. So let's do this. Int add equals to num1 plus num2, and after this you just have to return add. Let's run this code. Okay, there is an error in S. Let's again run this. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.